Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Every year, thousands of students preparing for higher education and teaching careers come across a common dilemma. Should I appear for the NET exam or the SET exam? Some students say, NET is more prestigious but SET is easier. Others ask, will SET help me get a job in another state? Or can I skip NET if I clear SET? If you've had these questions in mind, don't worry. In today's video, we will break down everything you need to know about the NET and SET exams. We'll discuss basic understanding of NET and SET, the career opportunities these exams offer, how they differ in recruitment, their exam pattern and difficulty level, how often notifications are released, and finally, the advantages of each. So, if you're confused about which exam to choose, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Friends, if you are looking for more PYQs on this topic, you can refer to the Unit 10 questions in my UGC NET Paper 1 book that provides you with 6500 plus solved unit-wise questions with detailed solutions and hints. But hey, what if you are looking for online mock tests that can help you practice questions in online exam format? If that's what you are looking for, you can join our newly updated online mock test series with a wide range of full-length tests available on the Arpita Karwa learning app. These tests perfectly replicate the UGC NET exam interface, providing you with a real-life exam experience. Plus, after each test, you'll receive a detailed performance report and see where you stand in the All India leaderboard. Now that we know what we are covering in this video, let's start with the basic understanding of NET and SET. NET stands for National Eligibility Test, which is a national level exam conducted for those who want to become assistant professors or qualify for Junior Research Fellowship or JRF in universities and colleges across all states in India. SET, on the other hand, stands for State Eligibility Test. It is a state-level exam conducted to recruit assistant professors, but only for colleges and universities within that particular state. If your goal is to become an assistant professor anywhere in India, then NET is the right choice for you. However, if you are aiming for a teaching position within a specific state, then you should go for SET. Friends, NET is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. SET is conducted by the State Public Service Commission, PSC, of the respective state. For example, in Rajasthan, RPSC, Rajasthan Public Service Commission, conducts the SET exam. This clears up the basic differences between NET and SET. But the real question is, which exam opens better opportunities for you? Let's explore that in the next section. Oh, and by the way, who doesn't love free stuff? If you want even more past year questions on this topic without spending a penny, head over to our website. Under the Past Year Paper tab, you will find all the PYQs from 2012 onwards. Ours is the only website that offers 150 plus official UGC NET Paper 1 question papers with authentic answer keys for absolutely free. So, what are you waiting for? Check the description box and grab those free resources today. Now that we understand the basic differences, let's talk about who is eligible to appear for these exams. To apply for both NET and SET, you must have a master's degree in the subject in which you want to appear for the exam. Now, let's talk about the minimum percentage requirement. There is a difference in the percentage required for the general UR category. For NET, you need a minimum of 55% marks in your master's degree. For SET, you need a minimum of 50% marks. Friends, please note that for reserved categories like SC, ST, OBC, PWD, relaxations are available as per government norms. Alright friends, now that we've covered eligibility, let's talk about the exam pattern. One of the most important aspects for every aspirant. Both NET and SET follow the same exam structure consisting of two papers. Paper 1 is common for all subjects. It has 50 questions and each question carries 2 marks. Paper 2 is subject specific, meaning you answer questions related to your chosen subject. It has 100 questions with each carrying 2 marks. That means both NET and SET are out of a total of 300 marks. Another key difference is the mode of the exam. NET is conducted online as a computer-based test or CBT, whereas SET is usually conducted in offline mode, meaning you'll have to write the exam with pen and paper. Now, many students ask, is there negative marking in NET or SET? The answer is no. Neither of these exams has negative marking. So, even if you're unsure about an answer, make sure to attempt the question because there's no penalty for wrong answers. Now, let's talk about when these exams are conducted. NET happens twice a year in June and December and is conducted by NTA or National Testing Agency. SET, however, is conducted only once a year and the exact date depends on the state conducting the exam. So, if you're planning to appear for SET, you'll need to keep an eye on the official notification of your respective state's Public Service Commission. Finally, let's discuss the difficulty level. NET is considered moderate to difficult because it is a national level exam, which means more competition. SET, on the other hand, is considered easier to moderate since it is state level and the number of applicants is usually lower. Friends, you'll be glad to know that my UGC NET Paper 1 book has been praised for its innovative teaching style by the legendary Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Further, if you're looking for video lectures that can explain the plot of important works of Paper 2 English, then consider enrolling in my online course for UGC NET English. I'm proud to launch India's first animated video course, where I've explained over 500 important plays, novels and poems in an engaging way. For more details, check out the description box. Alright friends, now that we understand the exam pattern, let's move on to a crucial aspect, the advantages and disadvantages of NET and SET. If you're confused about which one to go for, this section will help you decide. Let's start with NET. One of the biggest advantages of NET is that it is conducted twice a year in June and December. That means you get 2 chances in a year to clear it. SET, on the other hand, doesn't even have a fixed schedule. It may not even be conducted every year. So if you don't want to waste time waiting for the exam notification, NET is a much better option. Another benefit of NET happening twice a year is that if you don't clear it in one attempt, you can identify your mistakes, improve your strategy, and try again within just 6 months. This continuous cycle of preparation and reattempts makes it easier to clear over time. Now let's talk about opportunities. With NET, you are eligible for assistant professor positions all over India. This gives you way more career options compared to SET, which restricts you to only one state. If you want flexibility in choosing your workplace, NET is the way to go. That being said, there are some challenges with NET. Since it is conducted online, many students find it slightly tougher, especially when it comes to maths and data interpretation questions. When you solve a problem, you need to scroll up and down repeatedly to check the figures, which can be frustrating. In fact, because of this, at least 10-12 minutes get wasted just in navigating the screen. On the other hand, SET is a pen and paper exam, which means you can solve everything on paper, making it more convenient for many students. However, here's an interesting fact. Many questions in the SET exam are directly taken from previous NET exams. So if you prepare for NET, you are automatically preparing for SET as well. Now, if we talk about difficulty level, there's no doubt NET is the tougher exam. But that's exactly why I always tell my students, prepare for NET even if you are appearing for SET. If your preparation is up to NET level, you will definitely clear SET without any extra effort. In fact, my advice, sit for both exams. Not only does this increase your chances of qualifying, but clearing both NET and SET also adds weight to your resume or CV, making you a stronger candidate in the job market. So, to sum it up, NET is tougher but offers more opportunities, while SET is relatively easier but limits you to one state. The best strategy? Prepare for NET and give both exams. That's it from my side for this video lecture. We will meet soon in the next video lecture. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature and stay tuned to my channel.